Industry Academia Meet Pre-Placement Talk haina aikoina mingkon jaraga masigi kano program si pangthok jabani sigi program si DM University Manipur Technical University amasung Ignite International AP Promise International haiba company siga punna kachamnaraga pangthokninaba adugumba thauramni masigi maru oiba kano objective adudi karinu hairaga aikoigi hojik graduate tawraiba chatra chatri singse masibu mapam chana makoigi placement pibiba makoisi thabak phanganba employment phanganba adagi pandam asida masigi kano program si pangthok chabani masi it's a regular feature masi university gi aduga colleges singda maru oina pangthokpa activity amakakni marandi tamliba satri singse masibu aikoina takpi tambiba amnasung makoibu graduate ohenba natana makoibu mapam chana placement piba employment piba habasegi pandamda aisigi pangthok chabani tongan ba corporate sing lai sigi adum once a year twice a year to khalnate sidi continuous process of the university ni aduna masigi handaki kanose aikoigi corporate che telecommunicators international haiba corporate siga aiko khutsamnaraga mohoina laaga aiko angangsing pre placement talk ama pibane thabak phange haiba taragadi aikoigi certificate khatna adubo kari skill darkar lay karam haina personality groom tawgani market ba pani base kari no adana singba mayam ase masibu makoibu takpiraga makoibu masigi information mayam ama piraga kadai da kari thapap hoji kauri bage karina hoji maru oina mi mayam na market na pamnariba corporate singna karamba misak sing pami karamba skill laiba karamba mahai haiba pami karamba oi new ba ol basing se pamba no ha basing laching basing se makoina experience base tawraga laaga aipol ki angangsida madumaina takpina na ba andi manaba laktamin nashigi thauram sidi it is just a pre-placement talk ni maru oina aikoi university na sinja ba amakhak lay pandam amakhak lay madudi in the month of July or last week of July natraga first week of August sida achauba job fair ama pangthok jage na aikoi si thauram si chilli bani maram maduna tongan ba corporation laaga moina hana pre-placement madugi pre-placement talk mayam ama piraga it is going to culminate into the job fair duda aikoi kanmo lakatyo kunna lakmina gadori bani ngasi lakpasidi corporate ama khatani adubo sumain tawraga tongan ba corporation laaga August adi aikoi mayam ama kawraga adudadi tongan ba companies mayam ama laaga aikoigi job fair du pangthoga angasinga thabak pinanabagi pandamda aiko sinja thanks
adume mamangda si
hanasu yam lai adubu aikoigi placement si adumak ujik corporate da su mayam ama tongan ba IT sector da ko IT enabled services sector si da ayamba angasinga placement si phangi aduga in Manipur da su adagi outside Manipur aduga kharanadi even international ayambadi kano BPO companies kumbasida ayamba kawkalli adubu atopa mayam amusu lay health sector da adagi tourism da adagi hospitality sector da adu makai placement hambadi yame ai chapchana machine dudi asukni habadi hojik no ke hype ngamte adubu aikoina moibu masigi kano tongan ba sector steel sector tongan ba lay pasi sinu thungla habidi loina mukta aikoina moibu placement tawna bahar se aikoigi andamni placement khatanate aikoigi science student sing lai ko aduna makoigi science student sing sidadi aikoina aphaba kadai da aphaba lab research base oiba kadai da kari lai hapada sing hawbasu yauna aikoina mokoibu madu takpina na ba aduga lab chinga adagi scientific organization singa khuchamna ba MOU sign tawraga aikoi madugumbaduda mohoi thaba khotpa haibana sinbasisu aikoi pangthokar.
May the distinguished dignitaries, may I request the volunteers to kindly come forward for the
to engage with our students and provide opportunities through both and contribute significantly to the development of the skilled workforce.
young minds. Every successful initiative.
Chief Guest Srimati N. Banana Devi, IS, Secretary at Manipur Technical University. Respected guests, of immense pleasure and privilege to welcome you all to the Industry Academia Training and Recruitment Cell of Government University and IPAC International and FE Profess International. Today's program is together academia and industry with a common purpose, yet evolving demands of the professional world. We are encouraged and continue to inspire our institutions in their pursuit of excellence.